Welcome to our dance charades.
Hi, I'm Anushka from Team Kathak,
Hi, I'm Padmashri from Team English.
and today we are going to up our game with the charades of similes.
Similes are figurative languages that is used to show comparison between two things using words such as and like.
And we use a lot of similes in our dance language as well. So, what we're going to do is I am going to enact them, and Padma, you have to make a sentence out of it, which is also a simile.
Wow, that sounds interesting, Anushka.
Let's go. Yeah, okay. So, the first one is quite simple. Tell me if you can guess this.
Okay. Are you referring to the clouds? Okay, that might be hair. Is this comparing?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you talking about the color maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Go with the Indian hair color.
So the clouds are as dark as my hair?
You got it right. Let's take it up a notch in the second one. Yeah?
Alright.
Okay.
That's the window. Rain? Oh my god, it's raining heavily in there. And that's referring to your tears? My tears are flowing heavily like the rain?
Yes. You got it. Okay, so I'm going to make the third one really difficult for you. So it's going to be a longer sentence. So I will try to focus.
Yes, let's do this.
Okay.
Are you knitting something there? Okay. That's a bird. Is it a peacock? Yes, this is definitely a peacock.
You're very close, but this was actually not knitting. What I'm showing is my heart, which is as happy as a peacock dancing in the rain. So, because in Kathak, we don't translate it word to word, we basically try to capture the gist of what we want to say. This is a small example.
Got it.
Alright, that was fun. I hope it was for you as well, Padma.
Yes, can you also make it easier for me?
I can definitely try. And also, we hope to touch a lot of other figures of speech in the coming videos, series, and we'll see you there next time. Until then, please,
Like, share, and subscribe.
thank you.